Hi guys, I just wanted to do a really quick unboxing. This is something that I ordered for myself for Christmas. So cute, and I just wanted to show you what it is. Normally, I spend a lot of my time making shoes, but I wanted to show you one of my favorites. This is something that I can't duplicate. I don't have a partnership with them. This is not an ad. This is just simply something I wanted to share, and I hope you guys all had a great holiday, and I'm looking forward to all of the amazing videos I have in store for you in 2020.